Ada yang pakai in five day udah berasa matanya bagus. Saya juga minum rutin sih, tapi saya nggak merasa gimana-gimana ya. Saya cuma pikir buat long term aja. Karena lutein itu bagus buat vision mata kita gitu. Oke, Hana.
So through the Atomy, we have a 5 benefits. So when you are joining this shopping mall, when you accumulate your own point, it's not disappear forever. And number 2 is that you join someone, your friend, and then your friend join his mom's friend, like another grandma, and then grandma join another their cousin. So a second, third level later, you don't know them, but you just join their friend, and then she join other person, and they join all of them is your point. When they shopping something, everything come up to you. It's like unlimited levels and then unlimited accumulation. So also they don't have any due date. So when you get some point and then you forget about it, and later you need some product and then you bought it after like 1 month later, 2-3 months, even 1 year later, the point is still in there. And then until you get matching and get bonus, and then they still waiting. Yeah. And there's a global one server. So it's globally working. We're starting the business from Australia, but we can join Indonesian members, Singapore, Malaysia, Canada, China. Everyone can join globally. So actually this one is making money like 24 hours. Even though you are sleeping, everyone need to shopping for daily necessary products, and then inherit up to 3 generations. So if you make your ID like a very good ID, your left to right side very strong, so like a very good income, that ID you can keep inherited for your children. So it's really happening right now in South Korea. Only 13 years, this company 13 years, and then the first business people who started Atomy, they join their children when they over 18. Their children, most of them, strongly deny they not gonna use Atomy product, and then very deny, and then opposite side, but they get to know their parents earn more money than who graduate university or things. And then they get interested, what is this? And they do the Atomy business. Some people even get the full scholarship from the university and then have a teacher job, but give up that one and do Atomy.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of young generation is like that in South Korea.
Very good ya, very good one. Ya, jadi Atomy keuntungan dari menjalankan Atomy ini bagus sekali. Pertama, kita kalau join member, kita kan dapat ID. Nah, kita punya persona PV itu seumur hidup. Kalau kita kan maksimum kan kalau kita mau dapat cashback kan 300.000 dulu. Nanti kalau kita udah sampai level-level tertentu akan nambah lagi jadi 700.000. Jadi itu depend levelnya. Kalau sekarang kan kita cuma sekedar jadi agent kan 300.000 aja. Ini akan stay di situ selamanya gitu loh. Selama kita menjalankan bisnis ini. Yang kedua, downline kita kalau kita sign up member di kiri kanan kita itu tidak ada limitnya. Kita bisa sign up sebanyak-banyaknya member, terserah di mana aja gitu loh. Kita bisa, itu nggak ada limit, nggak dibatasin sampai berapa ratus, habis itu mesti stop, nggak ada. Terus yang ketiga, grup PV-nya unlimited for distributor. Jadi kita punya grup PV itu kalau kita punya downline kiri dan kanan itu tidak ada limitnya. Begitu kita kalau misalnya 300.000 kiri kanan, kita langsung tutup poin. Nah, kalau kita tutup poin, kita dapat cashback, nanti the next day-nya itu grup PV kiri kanan kita jadi zero gitu loh. Jadi kita kalau ada member lagi belanja, ya itu akumulasi lagi. Jadi dia akan tambah terus gitu loh. Kalau kita banyak member, jadi kita nggak usah mesti belanja buat nutup poin, itu sendirinya akan terjadi gitu loh. Nah, yang keempat, global one server no boundary itu maksudnya ID kita itu bisa dipakai di semua negara yang ada atominya. Jadi kalau kita punya ID register di Sydney, kita kalau sampai di Indonesia mau beli barang di Indonesia, kita bisa masuk login pakai websitenya Indonesia, terus kita beli, kita kirim ke alamat kita di Indonesia. Begitu juga kalau kita mau sign up member di Indonesia atau Malaysia atau Singapura, kita bisa pakai bantu mereka kumpulin poin dengan pakai ID mereka, kita beli di Sydney. Cuma kalau di Sydney kan minimum 100.000 free delivery. Jadi kalau misalkan pakai ID yang bukan negara Sydney, selain negara Sydney, selain Australia, kita mesti belanja minimumnya, jadi biar kirim ke rumah gitu loh. Terus yang kelima, ini ID kita bisa diteruskan ke 3 generasi, jadi kayak buat anak kita sama cucu kita. Jadi kalau misalkan kita benar-benar jalanin bisnis ini dan kita udah punya cashback bulanan atau berapa gitu ya, duitnya berapa, itu kalau anak kita teruskan ke anak kita, mereka akan terima benefit yang sama gitu loh, nggak ada syarat lain apa-apa. Asalkan kita benar-benar udah levelnya udah oke, kita udah terima bulanan dan anak kita mau pass on ke anak kita, ya kita tinggal itu aja, urusin aja, paperwork-nya langsung di-pass on, jadi anak kita bisa lanjutin gitu loh. Yes, Hana.
So the basic principle is bill and speed and balance. So we have a residual bill, which is water bill and electricity bill and then rent fee and other like council levy and school fee, a lot of fees we need to pay every month, right? Until you die, you can't escape from these taxes and then all the bill. But we don't have a residual income unless you have a like business, you own some like a big business. So the Atomy is like not the work, it's kind of the business. So you make your residual income. So, and then this one has the really different with the other network or business. This one has a top ceiling. So whoever start early, their income is a monthly from the compensation plan 62,000, and then another mastership is another like a 100,000 income. So the both altogether around 150 to 200,000 per month income for if you become the top. But you can't get more than that. Just you stay there. The CEO said that money is enough to live your life and cherish the life. So even a lot of people in South Korea, they 14 different imperials, and then they have if like a point more than like a lot of points every day. So if they get more money, they can get it, but they have like a top limit. They can't more than around 200,000 per month. But it's a lot, right?
Already.
So even though we start right now, we can succeed. Also I told you earlier, it's a 3-generation inheritance.
Iya, jadi prinsip Atomy itu continuity, jadi akan berlanjut terus bisnisnya lah ya. Terus ada speed sama ada balance di sini. Jadi kayak kita punya residual bill kayak air, konsil, semuanya itu pasti datang gitu loh istilahnya. Lu mau sakit atau enggak, bill itu tetap datang karena itu residual bill yang harus kita bayar, kita pasti pakai. Jadi kenapa kita nggak have residual income aja? Residual income di sini yang di Atomy itu maksudnya itu kayak passive income gitu loh. Kalau kita sampai benar-benar jalanin bisnis ini dan kita bisa sampai level tertentu, itu maksimum itu per bulan kita bisa dapat 62.000 US, 62.000 dolar, 62.000 dolar, iya benar. Itu maksimum per bulannya karena mereka compensation plan-nya itu ada ceilingnya, ada limitnya gitu loh. Jadi mereka yang mulai early itu, mereka pasti sekarang udah capai gitu, ya udah stop, nggak mungkin bisa lebih lagi. Nah mereka yang start belakangan, mereka akan bisa capai juga 62.000 ini, cuma masalah waktu aja. Jadi dia nggak batasin, bukan berarti mereka yang start duluan itu nanti malah semakin kaya gitu loh. Dan jadi yang start belakangan malah sengsara, nggak begitu. Ini compensation plan-nya Atomy benar-benar manusiawi gitu loh. Jadi semua orang bisa mencapai ke top level. dan yang terakhir bisa diteruskan ke 3 generasi. Okay.
So Atomy has two kind of income. First is the general commission. The other one is the mastership bonus. And this one is the general commission. Your point and then the your left to right side point. When it's become like this, they get the bonus around $70 to $75. Depends on your depends on the end price. The every time our income is different because every time from sales and how many PV they calculate. So and then when your point is 700,000, your left to right becomes 700,000. You get around 1.5 million to 4 million. So the top level limit is a 2.4. With your ID, you don't need to buy like a forever, just a 2.4 million is maximum. But right now, if you are just a sales master or didn't achieve the sales master, you don't need to buy with your ID. If you become right now 300,000 points, just remain in here. When you are like try to achieve the sales master, that time is the buying with your ID. You need to consult with your sponsor.
Ya, jadi di Atomy ada mastership levelnya gitu loh. Ada general commission sama what is the other one? Hana, sorry, there's a two commission. The one before. Oke, jadi ada dua main income. Jadi ada general commission sama ada mastership bonus. Ada 2 level. Oke, can you go next? Jadi general commission itu seperti yang kita lihat personal PV kita itu dari samping kan bisa lihat 300.000 PV. Itu kalau kita join member sebagai agent, kita kalau udah mau jalanin bisnis 300.000 PV, grup kiri kanan kalau 300 juga, maka kita akan dapat cashback sekitar $75. Nah, kalau kita mau jadi special agent, personal PV kita itu mesti 700.000 PV. Itu kalau misalkan, tapi kiri kanan kita punya poin itu mesti 700.000 kiri kanan dapat 150. Terus ada lagi dealer. Kalau kita dia levelnya ada beberapa level ya. Kalau dealer personal PV kita juga masih 1,5 million PV dan yang terakhir exclusive distributor. Jadi 2,4 million PV itu kalau kita memang mau ikutin master seal levelnya ya kita punya ID mesti ada PV sebanyak itu dan maksimumnya limitnya itu 2,4 million gitu loh. Dia jadi sampai segitu aja gitu loh. Dan dia punya poin kiri kanan juga berubah sesuai dengan level kita. Dan bonus yang kita terima juga, komisi yang kita terima juga beda-beda gitu loh. Maksimum yang kita bisa lihat komisi maksimum yang kita bisa terima itu 1.500 per hari. Itu kalau kita matching point ya. Itu per hari. Kalau misalkan kita downline kita begitu kuat, kita tiap hari bisa matching 1.500 kalikan 30 hari itu udah hitung sendiri. Itu 1 bulan udah dapat sekitar $50.000 itu kalau kita benar-benar jalanin dan benar-benar udah sampai level atas ya. Oke, Hana. we gonna talk. It's already 9 o'clock.
I need to continue next week, but another one is a mastership bonus. It's a 20%, and then sales master, diamond master. When they becomes like this master, they have a bonus like a 2,500. It is the starting bonus. So that if you have enough if you become sales master and then some sales master 300 every time. And then the other sales master maybe like only matching 7 or 8 times, like just become sales master point. So the every sales master different income. If you have a many consumer and become sales master, some sales master $5,000 over 5,000 per month, or some sales master just a beginner is 2,000 around. And diamond master same. So the 5,000 to 10,000. Even saying diamond master, you have a lot of consumer. So I realize I'm Sharon Rose master, but usually I become the auto diamond master. Diamond master, 2 sales master, left to right side, 2 sales master. But I have more than that. Sometimes 5 sales master left to right side. In that case, the more income. So is like this one is just amazing. If you only become the sales master or auto sales master, that is a really amazing thing. And then you get very active, and then you find out what this one is very easy. But until you become the sales master or auto sales master, you feel like you feel very hard, or how can I do this? But if you concentrate and then try this one, and then if you become the sales master and auto sales master, you get to know, wow, this one is very easy. Talk too much.
You want me to explain or already done? You want me explain in Indonesia, Anna? Sorry, Hannah, you want me explain in Indonesia or no?
Oh yeah. So this one is the last one yet.
Okay, last one. Okay. Jadi mastership bonus itu company itu kasih 20%. 20% itu dialokasikan ke sales master itu 10%. Sisanya 10% itu didistribusikan ke master lain. Jadi master level di Atomy itu ada sales master, diamond, Sharon, star, royal, crown, paling tinggi itu imperial. Jadi seperti kita lihat, kalau kita capai sales master, kita akan dapat bonus 2.500. Ini sih itu kalau kita benar-benar tutup poin terus dalam 1 bulan, kita bisa dapat 2.500. Tapi di sisi lain akan dapat bonus juga dari company, tapi kayaknya sekitar 200-an. Nah, kalau kita diamond ya dapatnya monthly income itu 5.000, itu dengan catatan kiri kanan kita itu bisa tutup poin gitu loh. Jadi diamond master itu masih ada 2 sales master di bawah kita. Kalau Sharon Rose master itu masih ada 2 diamond master di bawah kita kiri kanan. Jadi ya begitu seterusnya. Oke, Hannah.
Beres-beres.
Oh, done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, thank you. Maybe we continue next week.
Okay, continue next week. Yeah.
Thank you.
We go to English now. Are you going to take a picture for the Indonesia one or no?
Oh yes, Sky, 국장님